G'day, my name is Karam. I live here in Karaka and this is my house. Well, we've got major problems. Basically, the house is generating loud, disturbing noises. That's been impacting our mental and physical well-being. The house simply feels uninhabitable.
How have you tried to have this fixed?
Fletcher Living has been deeply involved from when we first reported it 19 months ago. And briefly, there's been 4 separate remedial attempts, which they're all intrusive remedial attempts, but unfortunately, they failed to deliver the desired outcome. The noise persists and we're left with no solution. We approached Fletcher Living, but now Fletcher Living thinks that the building is installed to spec.
Can you describe the noise?
The noise, when we first experienced it, we thought that there is someone outside the property throwing stones at us. Basically, the noise is loud bangs, knocking noises that you hear across almost the entire house.
This happens at a particular time during the day?
Based on my observation, and I have recorded over 185 videos, when the metal cladding goes through a heating cycle and a cooling cycle, that disturbing noises happens. It would happen sometimes at night when there is no sun, no temperature changes. You would hear like a odd loud bang at night from somewhere in the house. As you possibly see here, that's all where the aluminium cladding are, and the noise generated covering all of that area at 2 levels. So the noise can be heard downstairs and upstairs.
How do you hope to get this resolved?
Hey look, just to keep it simple, we just want the noise to be gone. We're calling on Fletcher Living to honour their commitment to us and deliver the promises that we've been given. When we bought this house, we anticipated promises by Fletcher Living on the low maintenance homes and high quality of living.